This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to the Greektown neighborhood in the hot West Loop, to a location that's close to restaurants, nightlife, Mariano's Grocery, public transit, and the UIC campus, for a walk through one of the apartments at the pet-friendly Arkadia. I'm in apartment 2813, northwest corner, one bedroom, looking out through a patio door onto a sheltered balcony. It's a wide balcony with a fabulous view to the north. Temperature is in the single digits and the wind chill is about 0, so I'll stay inside. Turning into a spacious, open plan, living, dining, kitchen area. 9-foot ceilings, wide plank flooring throughout the apartment. Great windows on 2 walls with ledges to set your plants on. Turning for a look at the kitchen, it's a breakfast bar peninsula, two-tone cabinetry with 42-inch upper lacquer look cabinets for additional storage, espresso tone lower brushed look cabinets. There's a 4-burner gas range, built-in microwave and dishwasher, tile backsplash, there's under cabinet lighting, stainless steel undermount sink, has a gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. There's a side-by-side refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door. Looking back toward the entryway, behind a louver door you have a full-size stacked washer dryer, coat closet with custom shelving as you enter the apartment. And then you turn into this fabulous view. You'll be able to watch the sunset, watch storms rolling in from the west. Heading toward the bath, you have marble veined tile on the floor. It's a wide vanity with a vanity with mirror, quartz counter again, an undermount sink. Tub shower combination has a body spray attachment. Heading into the bedroom, plenty of space for your bedding and additional furniture here. And again, that great ledge for your plants. And a walk-in closet with custom organizers and terrific amount of shelving. Arkadia West Loop has a close-in to the loop location, steps from everything location. Great suite of amenities, upscale finishes in all the apartments, fabulous views. Put Arkadia West Loop at the top of your must-see list. Head to Arkadia's website to see more floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.